Hi, in what's becoming a widespread tradition, we've decided let's look at the city, look at the highest point, and walk there. Yes, we're currently on where?
Off a seat. Well, not entirely lit. The entrance.
Yeah, the start of it. We're about to show you a spectacular view of the city.
Hi, I'm Julia, the wine.
Hi, I'm Samora, the rum.
We met in London, fell in love, and moved to Ireland.
We share tips on being an expat, travel, cultural experiences, and living life efficiently.
Welcome to Edinburgh! Right behind the Scottish Parliament building lies our adventure for the day, Arthur's Seat.
Arthur's Seat is an ancient volcano that sits 251 meters above sea level, with excellent views of the city.
It was a warmer day than Dublin, like it probably is most of the time, but with chilly winds. The leaves already started changing for autumn, so we knew the view of the city would be gorgeous.
We weren't even a quarter of the way up yet. There are several paths to get to the top of Arthur's Seat. We picked the one that most people choose, through some shrubbery and onto a path where you can see to the right of the video, a path formed by lava streams millennia ago.
But first, rune stop. This is St. Anthony's Chapel. Runes that no one quite knows the full backstory of. But really, my question is, with all these churches and monasteries on top of hills, like when we went to Ireland's Eye, how did this priest always get up here? Where did that fit to walk up hills every day for Mass?
So, after a hard climb, we finally made it to the top. We weren't disappointed. A majestic view it was. Okay, so we finished well, it's not a mountain, is it? Is it? No.
As an Austrian, I have to disagree because it's not high enough. I'm not sure what the official classification is. It's a former volcano. That's cool.
Yeah, so we're just here in some grass. Yes, literal grass. Check out this grass. So much grass. I don't know why I'm sitting in grass, but...
I made them do it. That's why.
Yes, also, I'm very hungry and I need to eat now. So... yeah. Eating time, I guess.
Second breakfast time.
Yeah, because we're hobbits.
Yes.
With our bellies full, we headed back down the hill.
It was a great first experience in Edinburgh. Arthur's Seat is an easy climb with amazing views, so close to the city, and with so many spots that you can just relax and take it all in. We'll definitely be back, 100% recommended.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more Edinburgh adventures. See you soon!
Cheers.